SOJOS sent me these cool retro aviator style sunglasses so we can show you what they look like and let you know our thoughts. These are the gradient lens, so it goes from brown to like a nude color at the bottom. These are not the polarized lenses. These are considered the orange lenses, although they're not very orange. If you want to see them against my skin, the reflection is kind of hard to see, but they're really light color lenses. And the frames are really thick. They're actually really cute on. They don't wrap around your ear too much, so if you have pain typically in the back of your ear from sunglasses, this won't give you that, so that's really nice. It's got more of a straight arm there, and it does have a square back, no pointy back, so you can see what it looks, how far down it goes on the ear right there. I love the SOJOS brand. I think they make some really stylish sunglasses and would highly recommend.